Yeah.
This right here is a mahi. Very easy fish to cut. Can you see up here? First you start cut around the collarbone on top. Then you flip the fish over. Cut the collarbone on the other side. I like to start from the middle. Makes it easier for me. See it a little bit. See the feather bone. Find the backbone. Cut all the way down the back. Then up the other side. All the way down the ridge bone on top. Over the ridge bone on the other side. Break the pin bones at the same time, all in one motion. Then you can, if you break the rib cage on it, it's fine. I'll show you how to fix that. Then you want to insert your knife right by the anal fin right here. Run it down the back. There you go, the fillet. Come to this side over here. To fix this, just run your knife under it. Most will come out in the first shot. Trim it. Then you want to cut these little bones out here. When the skin's on, don't cut all the way through it. Just pull right out. Back to this side. Then you go to the next side. Collarbone's already cut, so you start at the tail. Cut down until you hit the bone. Make a little incision. Same thing, find your backbone. All the way down. Make sure it's all the way released. Until this back part over here is released. Expose your pin bones. Right in the spine again. Over the spine. Break all the pin bones. Run once down. Same thing on that side. One second. Trim it up a little bit. So, put the little bones out here. Now you want to take your skinning knife. Cut into the tail until you get to the skin. It's kind of hard to see it, but then you want to slice to the skin, not into it, but to it. You push forward, jiggle a little bit. There's a little bit of skin. It's not hard to fix it. Just curl it, cut under. Bigger mahi, this can be a little harder, but these fish are pretty small. But they're nice fish, aren't they? Makes me hungry just looking at it. Bloodlines together because the bloodlines tend to oxidize very fast with mahi and they turn brown. So when the meat bleeds out, it just bleeds into the other fillet and it doesn't turn brown. Not as quickly at least. And that's all she wrote.